Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the farm. I'm a little bit under the weather this morning. I got a horse in my throat or something. But we're going to do something a little different. We'll start, we've got a little remodel project here, and I'll give a little backstory. First, I want to thank everybody that signed up for the giveaway. I really appreciate it. I had a lot of fun doing it. I hope everybody else had fun. Hope everybody liked everything. The winners liked what they got. So anyway, when we first built this house, this was a breezeway between the garage, which is back here, and the kitchen, which is behind you. And then when we had our third kid, our house kind of got smaller, so we turned this into a mud room. Of course, we started farming pretty good, so we needed a place to pull our boots and stuff. We turned part of this into this room I'm in now was the old mud room, and then over here we made this into a laundry room in here. So this was the laundry room, and of course it says it right there. So what we're gonna do now, of course I gotta clean all this mess out. It's kind of become a catch-all of junk, so I'm gonna get it all cleaned out, and we're gonna start demoing. We're gonna turn this into a screened-in porch, so we have a place to come back here and sit without any bugs. Bring a little puppy back here and stuff. So today we're gonna get started on demoing. Kind of already started a little bit. We had in here, let's go in here. So in the laundry room, back when it got so cold back in December, we had a water line break. I never did cut the water off to it. So it broke right here and over here. So I got all that cut out, and kind of started a little bit. I put a new door in the back. So now all this stuff I'm gonna repurpose. These windows I'm gonna put in my garage. I got a couple windows to replace. I'm gonna save all the boards, all the wood. These two exterior doors, I'm gonna use one on my shed back here, and one I think about on my garage, the old garage back here. Of course, we got a new garage when we built the house. I mean, we added on to the house. We added a bedroom, garage, and 2 bedrooms upstairs and a bathroom. So then we used to pull beside the house. The driveway went behind the house. You turn into the garage here. So now we've kind of pulled into the front of the house like you've seen, and come into the new mudroom, into the kitchen. So we'll get started. First I'm gonna get this cleaned out, and then start demoing, and we'll try to save a lot of this wood, because you can't buy good stuff like this anymore. And well, I think the roughest thing's gonna be tearing the sheetrock out, so I won't be able to save it. I'll throw it all away. All right, so I'm gonna get started, and I'll bring you back once we get a little farther along. I don't know how far we're gonna get today because it's gonna be so hot. We're still in a heat advisory here today, so I'm gonna work till we can, and then we'll stop and we'll pick it up in the morning. So, all right, I'm gonna get started. Hey, good morning. Welcome to day 2 of the screen porch build. I didn't get quite as much tore out yesterday as I wanted to. Just got too hot for me in here. Of course, been kind of sick. I got an upper respiratory infection, so I got where I couldn't hardly breathe, so we had to quit. So it's supposed to be cooler, but boy, it was still humid. So you can see what all we got. Of course, we got everything cleaned out. That took forever. Got everything off the walls. We got all the trim off. We got the doors out. Started on this. So today I'm gonna get the ceiling tore down in here and finish with the upper part of the walls. And then in here, we got a lot of the stuff tore off the windows. Got everything off the wall. So hopefully I'll get in here and get this walls and this ceiling done today. And I gotta get this stuff out. This is leftover flooring when we put it in our house right here. So I saved it, and I'm gonna make me a workbench out in my shop, a workbench top. So that's what I gotta move all that out. So, and then hopefully we'll get all this done today, and if it's not too bad and rain wise, I might start tearing down the outside. So all would be left is studs, and we'll take the studs down and go back with the our pressure. Oh, well, I said we got to do the floor. So yeah, I figured the floor would be the hardest part. So there ain't nothing been easy so far. So I'm gonna get busy, and I'm not gonna show you me tearing it down. I mean, it's not that video worthy, I don't think. So I'm gonna get busy, and I'll come back and show you after we get it done. So I'm gonna mainly focus on start with in this room here. I gotta get this ceiling down. Hopefully it won't take too long. And get the rest of this down, and then we'll move in there. So I'm gonna save these 2x4s. I'll reuse them. Of course, I gotta do the electrical too. I gotta figure out how I did that 20 years ago. So, all right, so I'm gonna get started. Hope you're enjoying this. I don't know if it's all video worthy, but that's what we're doing. So we're gonna videotape it. All right, so I'm gonna get busy. This is actually taken down pretty easy. I'm gonna leave that up there if I can, but anyway, so still muggy out here as I'll get out, so we'll keep on working. I'm not gonna show everything, I just want to show you how we're doing it. So we'll get all this down, and then we'll get the sheetrock down. So okay, it's been a long day, and we got all the sheetrock down, and it's about 4:30. So this is I think my third shirt I've been in. It's still humid as I'll get out. We got all the sheetrock down, and I don't know if I told y'all what our plans were, but all these 2x4s are coming out. This floor's coming out. We'll go back with composite decking, and then we'll put pressure treated 2x4s on the wall and put screens up. So it's going to be a screened-in porch, and we're going to put like a tongue and groove on the ceiling. These back walls, this is the old original siding. We've got some leftover vinyl shake siding, and we're going to put that on them 2 walls. And of course, these 2 walls will be screened. And like I said before, this was a breezeway originally, and so we don't have to worry about putting on a roof. So all we got to do is tie in our 2x4s. So tomorrow we're going to knock these walls down, take these 2x4s off, and if we get to the floor, that'd be great. I don't know. The way things are going, it's slow as Christmas. So I think we're going to go back with composite decking and something new. We'll put a door over here. So once we start going back, it'll all be a lot clearer, I think. It's kind of hard to tell what my vision is here. So, but it's been a job so far. Just tearing this out, it's been harder than we thought. This is day 2. So I've also got to figure out my electrical. I did all this back when we turned this over, and I can't remember exactly what all goes where, but I'm going to figure that all out this after supper, I think. So all this electrical comes out. We'll have, I think we're going to put 4 lights and 1 fan in here. So I think I might somehow control it from the inside the house somehow. So I'm going to figure that all out this evening after supper when it cools down just a little bit. And I'll bring you updated in the next video. But we're going to end the video here. I appreciate everybody watching. I appreciate everybody for the giveaway. I'll get that stuff out in the mail pretty soon, probably this evening, matter of fact. And I think next video will be more of this. So appreciate everybody watching. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, support your local farmer. We'll see you down here on the farm in the next video, or actually on the back porch in the next video.